In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to track your Google Drive documents using Orange Docs. First, go to orangedocs.com, then select Get Started for free. Next, to sign in with your Google Drive account. This will sync your Google Drive account with Orange Docs, meaning you won't have to actually upload any files to Orange Docs. Next, select Share Links as the application and get started. This will open up an ability for you to share directly from your Google Drive. If you wanted to add any files, simply add them to your Google Drive and hit refresh. In this particular case, we're going to share our Smart Email Marketing Guide on our website. You can go ahead and select a password if you want to make that a little more secure as well. Hit next. This reference label is only used internally for yourself to know where you shared it. So in this case, we might want to say shared on website. That'll be our email marketing guide. In this particular case, I'm going to use the long URL and I'm going to hit finish. That'll create a unique link for our PDF. You can create as many of these links as you like. So if you want to say share it on social media, on Facebook, you can create a new link for that PDF on Facebook, for Twitter, or for LinkedIn, and track them all separately. Next thing we're going to do is go ahead and copy this link as if we're viewing it on our website. First thing we're going to notice is that there's this big blank box here. This is actually where our advertising goes, and this is how we offer you a free product. We also have our own branded here for Orange Docs. If you'd like to remove the advertising and change the branding, you can do so by signing up for a 14 free day trial of business. Or you can go ahead and check out our videos on YouTube on how business can work for you. Here's a viewer of our PDF that we published on our website. Every time one of our users goes and views a different page of the PDF, that is tracked. So the time spent on each page, as well as the number of times this particular document is being viewed. Plus, every time this document is downloaded, that'll be tracked as well. So we can go here, view a few pages, and if you'd like to view the metrics, you can go back to the Orange Docs application, close this box, hit the Share Links application again, and you'll be prompted with two different tabs, one for the links that are being viewed and one for links being created, so you can find them easily. We can already see right now that we've already had our shared on our website email marketing guide viewed by one person, and it was downloaded and viewed one time. We can click that to find out more information. We can see that there is multiple different pages to this PDF, and we've viewed the first 3 pages, as we did when we were looking at it. We also have the times it was previewed. We can click that to find what hour it was previewed, and the number of times it was downloaded. You can also choose different dates. So if you want to go ahead and have this PDF on your website for a number of months, you can see at different time periods how well it's been doing. This is the easiest way to share documents on Orange Docs. There's also a variety of different applications depending on your use case. So if you're in sales, we can tell you you're emailing documents to different clients. You'll be able to tell you exactly who's looking at what. We can run marketing campaigns such as email marketing campaigns and know exactly which particular user looks at what particular document. We can also create virtual data rooms and be able to tell you that information as well. If you'd like more information on that, please check out our YouTube videos on each of those different applications.